2024 GMC Sierra 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.